If you'd like to see more videos like this coleslaw recipe, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section below. All recipes and social media links is in the description. Thank you for watching. Today's video, we're going to be making coleslaw for Memorial Day. You will need coleslaw mix because I'm lazy. You can grate the cabbage, carrots, and onions if you want to, but I prefer being lazy. In this measuring cup, we have a 1/4 cup buttermilk and a 1/4 cup milk. In this saucer, we have 2 tablespoons heaping of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon heaping of vinegar, a 1/3 cup sugar, a 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons minced onion, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. On to the recipe. The first thing we're going to be doing is mixing the sauce. Now I moved the onion over to a bowl. That way when I dump everything into the bowl, I don't have the onion in it, because that'll go in when I do the coleslaw mix. So everything goes in here now. That was on the plate. And we're going to add the vinegar, lemon juice, milk, buttermilk. You have the sugar, salt, mayonnaise, and pepper in there already. And that all goes in. And now all we got to do is mix it up. Since the sauce is a little bit thinner than I like, I'm going to add a little bit more mayonnaise. A couple more spoonfuls. Then I'll mix it again. Now I'm adding an onion to it. I'll mix that up to make sure the flavor gets throughout the sauce. Then I'll add the cabbage mixture. Add the whole thing. And it gets mixed up. What I'm going to be doing is improvising. In my measuring cup, I'm going to add some buttermilk, milk, and mayonnaise, and making a little bit more of the sauce. Here's how I improvise. I'm going to add 2 big scoopfuls of mayonnaise because I like mine creamy. And then we're just going to add a little buttermilk to it because we don't want it runny. We just want a smidgen in there. And a smidgen more milk because I want it thicker. Mix it until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Then we'll mix it in the cabbage mixture. I like a more thicker sauce on mine, so I'm adding it now. And then I'll mix it in. Now I'll show you what it looks like when it gets done. This is what it looks like when it's done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.